Luke and I decided that we wanted to give a joint speech today. We thought it would be fitting.
Is this on?
Yeah. We had thought that two brains would be better than one, but we quickly learned that we could not agree on a lot of things, like, for example, who chased who at the start.
So, from my point of view, Em was definitely doing the chasing. And in our first meeting, she coincidentally turned up at my flat in Madrid, just as I was coming out the shower with just a towel wrapped around me. But she insists that it was my cooking that evening that persuaded her to pursue me as a potential partner, or private chef.
My dearest Luke, today is the day. Everything we have done together over the past, not only 4, but 10 years, has brought us to this moment. It has come around so quickly, I can't believe it, and it will be over in a blink. But that's okay, because then we get to start the rest of our lives together, and that's the exciting part. Oh, for God's sake. I've loved every moment of our journey so far. Our holiday romance while skiing may have got the ball rolling, but our lockdown love story was where things really got serious. There are so many moments I will always treasure from that time. The ones that will always stand out to me the most are when you told me you more than liked me, our date night at the Caravan Park Cafe, where you told me you loved me for the first time, and our Scotland road trip. They were the happiest times of my life to that point, and things have only got better since then.
I pledge to nourish your mind and body with a lifetime of cheese toasties and snacky snacks. And to always go halves with you at restaurants so we can try more of the menu.
I promise to always go halves on dishes when eating out. So we get to try more on the menu.
I promise to love you for the rest of my life and to prioritise your love and happiness because your joy is my joy. To replicate your loyalty with my loyalty for you. I promise always to remind you of how incredible you are, to believe in you even when you doubt yourself. I promise to try to say the right thing when you are down, even if I know that is mostly impossible. I pledge to be true to you and to myself, with honesty and openness, even in the most difficult times.
I am excited for our future as two noggins together. We have so many more adventures, meals out, runs, cycles, hikes and travels to come, and I wouldn't want to do it with anyone else. I cannot wait to see you and your handsome face shortly in your James Bond suit. I love you so much, Lukey. Oh dear. See you down the aisle. All my love forever, Em.
But as a parent, you know, people who've got children, all you can ask for is somebody that looks and treats your child the same as you would want, and with the same, and that's what Luke does. I see him, he looks at Emma in the same way that you would want, you know, that you look at with, you know, proud and just, you know, that desire. That's what I say, I just love him. Yeah, I love him to bits. His mum and dad, you know, and his parents should be so proud. Yeah, we're so proud.
May these rings that form a visible seal to the marriage contract be a reminder to you both of the vows and promises you have made to each other here today. Let your rings be a sign that love has a past, a present, and most importantly, a future. It now gives me the greatest of pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife.